Welcome back to my channel, folks. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a topic that's essential for success in both personal and professional settings. And like my other earlier videos, this is on public speaking. Are you excited at any opportunity in giving a public talk? Do you thrive in confidence? Are you capable of giving an inspirational talk for 20 minutes or longer? Or does the mere thought of giving an unrehearsed talk send your anxiety into overdrive? Whether you're giving a presentation at work, speaking at an event, or even just expressing your ideas in a group setting, being an effective public speaker can make a world of difference. So let's dive into 3 tips that will help you become a confident and engaging public speaker. Tip 1. Know your audience. The first tip for effective public speaking is to know your audience. Understanding who you'll be speaking to and what their needs and interests are is crucial. Ask yourself questions like, who are they? What do they already know about the topic? What are their expectations? Tailoring your speech or presentation to your audience will help you connect with them on a deeper level and keep them engaged. Do your research. Find out as much as you can about your audience beforehand. This could involve talking to the event organizers, researching the demographics of the audience, or even conducting surveys or polls. The more you know about your audience, the better you can customize your speech to resonate with them. Remember, public speaking is not just about what you say, but also how you say it. Understanding your audience will help you choose the right tone, language, and examples to connect with them and keep them engaged throughout your speech. Knowing your audience and tailoring your speech accordingly will make you a more engaging and effective speaker. Tip 2. Be authentic. The second tip for effective public speaking is to be authentic. Authenticity is the key to connecting with your audience and gaining their trust. Speak from the heart and be genuine in your delivery. Don't try to imitate someone else or be overly scripted. Be yourself. Authenticity is about being true to yourself and expressing your ideas in your own unique way. Share your personal stories, experiences, and emotions. Be vulnerable if appropriate. This will make your speech more relatable and memorable to your audience. Remember, being authentic doesn't mean being perfect. It means being real and genuine. Embrace your imperfections and show your humanity. Your audience will appreciate your authenticity and be more likely to connect with your message. Tip 3. Practice, practice, practice. The third and final tip for effective public speaking is practice. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the more confident and polished you'll become. Rehearse your speech multiple times, and practice delivering it in front of a mirror or recording yourself. This will help you identify areas where you can improve, such as pacing, tone, or body language. Practice will also help you internalize your content, so you can speak more naturally without relying heavily on notes or slides. In addition to practicing alone, try practicing in front of a trusted friend, colleague, or mentor who can provide constructive feedback. This will help you identify any weak points and give you an opportunity to refine your speech further. Remember, practice is key to building confidence and reducing nervousness. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with your material, and the more confidently you'll be able to deliver your speech to your audience. And there you have it. 3 tips for effective public speaking. Know your audience. Be authentic and practice, practice, practice. I hope these tips will help you become a more engaging and confident speaker. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who may benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos on public speaking for more useful tips.